gonna put this back in the door, okay? Because we're finished, we got everything lined up. We're gonna put it back in the door. Let's see. So the motor part goes in first. So you're gonna put the motor part in, slide it as far back as you can get it. Try not to get cut. Lift it back up in there like that, right? And go on the other side of the door, pull it all the way back. Then take this part, stick it up in there. Just like that, okay? Now, the first thing you're gonna do is, you see the holes here, hole here, and the hole here. We're gonna line this up, line that screw back up. That's why I don't take the screws out. See that? Put the screw in right there, put the screw in right there. So, you're gonna put this screw in right here, the screw in here, and then the screw in down here. Put them all in, drop the motor down. I mean, drop the regulator down. Now, once the regulator's in there, I would tighten the regulator up. So we're gonna do this one, drop it, like put it in and drop it down in the hole. That's one. That's two. That's three. Right here. That's four. And one right here. That's five. So this window regulator is tight. We tighten up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do is this big push pin right here. We're gonna put that back into the motor. That goes into the motor. Just like that. This one right here goes up top, right here. Let's see. The one right here goes up here in this hole. All right. Let's see. Then we have this one. It goes right here. Okay. Now, this one right here, it's on the wire here, it goes behind here and comes out this hole right here. Just like that. Then you have a green one, which is this one right here at the bottom. It goes in this one at the bottom down here. So you put it back there, push it through. Now this goes through here and out right here. Now the motor's on this side right here, and all you're gonna do is take this and snap this onto the motor itself. This is the power for the motor. Snap that on. Let's see. It actually, the part right here where you squeeze to take it off, this should be pointing down like that. So this square right here should be down, and that's how you put it on, just like this. And you push it on until you hear that click. Okay, so now you got everything on. Everything's in there. Everything's tightened. Making sure everything's good. All right, now what we do is we take this window, slide this window back down into the glass until you hear it click in here and in the one in the door. And then you pull up on it to make sure it's locked. All right. So let's go ahead and pull the tape off. All right. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide this window back down. Make sure it's in the, pull back this way and slide it down so it'll stay in the groove. Slide it all the way down until it gets, if you can see in here, you can see the window coming down. See it coming down? You put it in there and you push it down in there. So now you're gonna push down in there. You heard that? That's what it's supposed to do. Now watch this. See that? It's in there. So you want to snap in this one and in the one in the speaker, okay? Okay, so we got the window back in. We got the window regulator in. We got the motor in. And the only things left is to put the plastic back on and put the door panel back on, hook everything back up. All Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D with another video. The window's working fine, and if you need to know how to put the door panel back on, just check out our site. And guys, that's it.